Don't enter 2026 without these 10 life-changing habits. Learn this before the new year. Quick question. Do you remember how you started this year? Motivated, new goals. This year will be different. And then somehow, school stress hit. Motivation disappeared. You went back to old habits? Yeah, same. But listen, if you enter 2026 with the same habits you had this year, you'll probably get the same results. And I don't want that for you. I really don't. So in this video, I'm sharing 10 life-changing habits I wish I had earlier. Habits that quietly upgrade your focus, confidence, and direction. Not overnight, not perfectly, but for real. Stay with me, especially habit number 7. That one changes everything. Habit number 1. Stop starting your day on your phone. Let's be honest. If the first thing you do when you wake up is scroll, your day is already reacting instead of leading. Messages, notifications, other people's lives. Here's the fix. No phone for the first 20 minutes. Not forever. Just 20. Brush your teeth. Drink water. Sit there and think. It feels boring at first. But boring is where clarity shows up. And clarity, that's power. Habit number 2. Decide tomorrow the night before. Most stress isn't from work. It's from not knowing what to do next. So before bed, ask one question. What are the 3 most important things tomorrow? Write them down. That's it. When you wake up, your brain already knows the plan. Less chaos, less procrastination, tiny habit, huge mental relief. Habit number 3. Build a bare minimum version of your goals. Motivation dies when goals feel too big. So instead of, I'll study for 3 hours, try, I'll open the notes. That's the bare minimum, because once you start, momentum usually kicks in. And even if it doesn't, you still showed up. Consistency beats intensity, every time. Habit number 4. Schedule recovery. Like it's an assignment. Burnout doesn't come from doing too much. It comes from never stopping. So schedule rest, literally. A walk, a night off, a guilt-free break. Rest isn't lazy, it's maintenance, and you can't win long-term if you're exhausted all the time. Pause here if you need to hear that again. Habit number 5. Learn to be bored again. This one's uncomfortable, but important. We've trained our brains to avoid boredom at all costs. Phone, music, noise, but creativity, focus, self-awareness, they live in silence. Try this. 10 minutes a day with no stimulation. No phone, no background noise, just you. It feels weird, then it feels powerful. Habit number 6. Stop consuming, start creating. You don't need more motivation videos. You need output. Instead of watching another TikTok, write one paragraph, make one video, build one small thing. Creation builds confidence. Consumption drains it. You don't need to be ready. You need to start. That's the difference. Habit number 7. Audit your environment, not your willpower. This one changed my life. If your phone is next to you, you'll use it. If junk food is visible, you'll eat it. If distractions are everywhere, focus will lose. So don't blame yourself. Change the environment. Put the phone in another room, clean the desk, block the apps. Discipline gets easier when temptation gets harder. Remember that. Habit. Number 8, track 1. Simple metric. Not everything, just 1. Hours studied, workouts, days consistent. Why? Because progress feels invisible until it's written down. Tracking builds momentum. Momentum builds belief. And belief changes how you show up. Habit number 9. Talk to yourself like someone you care about. You mess up. You fall behind. You procrastinate. And then you attack yourself. But if your friend was struggling, you wouldn't talk to them like that. So try this. When you fail, say, okay, what's the next right move? No drama, no self-hate, just forward motion. That's maturity. Habit number 10, do one hard thing every day. Send the email, start the assignment, have the uncomfortable conversation. One hard thing, daily. Hard things build self-trust, and self-trust builds confidence. You stop doubting yourself because you prove every day that you can handle discomfort. That's how growth actually happens. So before 2026 starts, ask yourself, who do I want to be this time next year? Not perfect, not magical, but realistic. Pick one habit from this video, just one, and try it tonight, not next week, not January 1st, tonight. Let's not repeat the same year again.